Hey YouTube, this is Abdul Car Fix, and today we fixed the um, the Blend Door Actuator on this 2007 Buick. As you see, this applied to a lot of the same repair applied to the Acadia, Traverse, all the Chevy Traverse and GMC Acadia, Buicks. When one side of your dash got cold air and the other side got warm air, it's usually the actuator. On this vehicles have three actuators on each side, and there's one in the middle. Those when they quit working, basically the actuator would get stuck on hot or cold. In our case, I opened up the old one, I installed a new one, and now we got cold on both sides. This is the driver side, and basically it wasn't bringing cold air, it was just bringing hot air on that side. So we replaced it and checked it, and it's all now good, bringing cold air to both sides. This is the actuator on the inside, as you see here. Okay, and this motor basically is not working. I apply power to it, it's dead. So it looks like it got stuck. And the position of it, it was actually different than the position of the one that I put in. So that tells me right there that this guy is not working. At least the motor is burned out. So that's why it's not. It got stuck on hot, and that was it. So that's what's going on. As you see, these gears. Basically, when you switch it, these gears actually moves. The motor right here has teeth, as you see here. It moves these gears to open and close the blend door, for hot and cold. And that when they don't work, that's what happened. It will stuck on one position, either cold or hot. So that's what's going on with this, and I just opened the old one that I just got out, just to show everybody what's going on with these vehicles and how this get damaged and not work. The job, I would say, not too bad. You have to have arms to get in there, but it's on a skills 1 to 10. I would say maybe 6 or 7. Not bad for most those do-it-yourselfer. If you have any question how to get it out or how to install a new one, it's really easy. Um, uh, um, you can message me. I will respond to the messages very quick, and I can guide you if you need help or a question on this procedure, how to install door blend on those vehicles. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. Thank you for watching.